The hotel seems to be acting normally, except that we cannot go out either front or back. There are police cars stationed at all entrances, and then a side of entrance at the side of our room where the employees enter. Something like 60 employees all standing around there, can't get in. There have been issues with face masks, but we're told the hotel hasn't got any for guests at this time. Normal. But unfortunately nobody has any more information yet, and they're all waiting for the health authorities. But the staff are doing everything they can to help us at this time. We were due to fly back this morning at 11:30 back to Birmingham. Obviously that now is missed, and we're just waiting news.